Hello everybody, this is Todd Frazee, and this is the tutorial on how to access the computer lab remotely for MITECH 320, Introduction to CAD/CAM Programming. Okay, first of all, we're going to follow the procedure that I've handed out. It's also in Canvas, and we're going to go to https://vdi losrios.edu, and I would bookmark this once you're there. It should be a screen that looks like this: VMware Horizon. The instructions say to always use the VMware Horizon HTML access tab. Do not install the client. It also gives you some warning about some errors, and the second time I did it I got errors. The first time I did not. So you may or may not experience it. You may need to do the steps from here twice, but supposedly you only have to do it the first time you log in. So we're going to pick on the VMware, and you're going to put your username in, which should be your Los Rios student ID number. And then your standard password. And press login. And you should get a screen that looks like this. So what you're seeing is the FLC FL5 Room 9 Computer Lab. Now it says you may have gotten some errors. It says the first time you do this you may get a certificate warning. Click past that in your browser, and an error about timing out may occur. If this occurs, you're going to redo these steps here. So when you log in, you should see a screen that looks like this, and you're literally running a computer that's in the lab on the other side of this. There's a host of rules. Please look at the most current information in Canvas about lab hours and such, because we don't want you to lose your work because they shut down for maintenance. When you are done with your session, you want to press this shutdown button, which will expedite that particular computer being available for another student to use. Anything you save locally on this computer, it will be lost when the computer reboots. So it's important that you are able to save things in your H drive, which is to be set up for you. Alright, thanks a lot, and I'll catch you on the next video.